Today we're going to do a video on how to plant a bare root rose. When you receive your bare root rose, you should be receiving something similar to this. So it's good fibrous root growth, good rootstock, and a plant with minimum of 2 stems and above. This one has got 4 stems. I've taken off the label to make it easier for planting. So what you do is you dig your hole, spade's depth and a spade's width, and then break up the soil at the bottom. Then you add what I've done here with farmyard manure, which you can get from any good garden centre, or you can use your own compost that you've made at home. Put that at the bottom of the hole, mix it up, and then I'm using top rows. So a handful of fertiliser at the bottom. Just stir that up a little bit, like that, so it doesn't come into contact straight with the roots. Then you put the plant in. What you want it to do is to end up roughly there, where it's been grafted. So that's below the soil, and the plant will be situ like that. If you plant it at that level, that's far too high. That'll cause rocking in the hole and also will encourage suckers to come from the rootstock. So get the plant nice and deep. Before I put my other glove on, so another handful of fertilizer on the pile of soil that you've taken out of the hole. So we're going to backfill. The soil is nice and damp. Although I've got a watering can here, I haven't used it because we're now in the winter period, nice and damp. During the summer months, when you're buying a container rose, very important, lots of water. Or likewise, if you're planting a bare root rose, which is available from November through until March, probably February, March is more important to use, the water then. So here we are backfilling, as you can see, firm it well in, like that. Cover the plant up like that. You see, that's about an inch or so below. Then finally, a handful of fertilizer round the top. So you've then got the fertilizer bottom, middle and top. And then you prune the rose. This is by far the most important cut you're going to give the rose. So it needs to go anything roughly from 2 to 4 inches, something like that, to an outward facing bud. There's a bud facing there, and that will be perfect and settle down over the winter and start shooting and should flower for you in the summer months.